Action Behavior Centers is a place that offers quality ABA therapy for children on the autism spectrum.
We work with young children, specifically those generally between ages 2 years old to 6 years old.
We wanted to create homes or centers for children to be able to overcome their obstacles and learn and grow, working one-on-one with therapists as well as with other children on the spectrum so they can reach their highest potential.
So the therapy we provide is applied behavioral analysis, ABA, and that's super structured teaching where we teach the kids with autism anything they need to learn.
It is just the umbrella of all therapies. We do speech, behavior, even physical sometimes.
One thing that's wonderful about it is that it can be applied to such a wide variety of different skills and behaviors, and it can be adapted as the child grows and learns.
We work on lunch, we work on things like recess, fine motor skills, kicking a ball.
Helping them learn how to communicate better, helping them build their social skills and interact more with others, and helping decrease any challenging behaviors that might arise.
It really tries to mimic a school setting. So they come in, they transition in with the other kids, put their things away, find their locker. And then throughout the day, they will work on some structured learning, structured teaching. Then that's sprinkled and mixed with circle time, where they sing songs and work on social interactions with the other kids.
We prepare children to learn in a way that's very individualized, and we tailor their learning to exactly what they need.
They're always with a one-on-one support person to help make sure they're not missing any learning opportunities throughout the day. When a family first learns that their kid has autism, it's precious time. The early years are when intervention is the most important because it's when you can make the biggest impact. So the sooner a kiddo can get into therapy, the better the treatment outcomes are going to be.
Our no waitlist policy basically means that we get children in as quickly as possible and they don't have to wait to start services. We have a huge force of employees that work behind the scenes on helping with things like insurance authorization so that parents aren't having to interrupt their child's intervention and go out and seek an outside evaluation. One amazing thing that Action Behavior Centers provides is we provide free ADOS assessments to the community.
The ADOS assessment is a gold standard for screening for autism because it's research backed, it's been screened and tested, and it gives you a lot of information about the behaviors related to autism that you would see.
So the fact that we provide those free to the community and work with pediatricians and physicians and clinicians who diagnose themselves, we can help more children get diagnosed earlier and therefore start intervention earlier.
My favorite part about starting and growing ABC is just seeing how many children we've been able to drastically change their lives and affect the lives of their families. It's really cool.
Working on something with a kid, something like language, which we just take for granted, and you meet a kid who doesn't have that language, and then 6 months later they're making sounds and they think it's magic, and you know that you played a part in that.
Seeing the kids finally accomplish something that they have been struggling with, that is the most rewarding part.
They're not just teaching them, but they're taking care of them and loving them as well.
Reducing behaviors, increasing the skills they have, being able to kind of interact socially with each other. It's awesome.